Are you looking for luxury living with amazing amenities in Southwest Florida? If so, you've got to check out our new listing. It is a Bainberry by WCI in WildBlue. Welcome to 18549 WildBlue Boulevard. Double door entry. It's always pretty. Tons of space in here. It flows really nice with the tall ceilings. And you can see this is currently set up as a sitting area. A lot of people use this as a dining room. The beauty of the open floor plan is you've got options on what works for you. Great floor plan living is what so many people are looking for these days. I do want to point out crown molding, tray ceiling, but check out how many people can sit in this couch. Stunning. Beautiful chef's kitchen. WildBlue is a gas community. We don't have a ton of those in Southwest Florida, so I always want to point that out. And can we talk about the size of this island? Woo! Absolutely incredible. We've got a lovely eat-in dining area here. Again, looking over the water. You could watch your kids out there running on the personal watercraft, whatever you may like. Walk-in pantry, absolutely stunning. And coming in off of the 3-car air-conditioned garage, you do have a drop zone, perfect for pickleball enthusiasts, if you've got kids for their backpacks and shoes, whatever it is that your heart desires, and a dedicated laundry room with sink. Split bedroom design is an awesome layout in this floor plan. So right here in this section off the kitchen, we do have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So you can see a good sized bedroom here with a walk-in closet, which I love, you know that. And then we have a full bathroom here with a walk-in shower. This does kind of be used sometimes as your guest bath, but there is an extra bathroom. Got to hold on to see that one. There's one more to see. And then again, here is bedroom number 3 with another walk-in closet, again, a good size. And this is an awesome bonus in this bedroom because they do have an ensuite and it doubles as a cabana bath. So folks who are outside, don't drag all that water through your house. They can just come right here. One of the biggest bonuses of the Bainberry, that's right, check it out right there. An extra half bath. Love it. Another big bonus, check out the size of this closet. Ooh-wee, it's fabulous. And then we've got bedroom number 4. Now, it's got a walk-in closet and a window, so it is a bedroom. You can see a lot of people set this up as an office, but the beauty is, again, you've got choices. You can do whatever works for your lifestyle. So it can be hard to follow along with some of these walkthrough videos. So just real quick, I'm standing in the great room right now. We've got 1 bedroom back in that corner. We've got 2 bedrooms, garage and laundry back in that corner. And next, we're gonna head into the primary suite. Wait till you see this bathroom. I mean, look at how much countertop and cabinet space you have in this bathroom. Giant walk-in shower with double heads. And look at this beautiful standalone bathtub. No need to open this door. It's just the water closet. We've always got them here in Florida. As we're moving into your primary, we have generous sized walk-in closets on both sides of the wall. Hers and hers. Maybe he gets some. You do have lanai access right here from your bedroom, and my favorite thing about this Bainberry is look at this wall of windows. Absolutely incredible. So much natural light. Every day you get to wake up to stunning sunrises over WildBlue Lake and see palm trees. I mean, can it get any better than that? I don't think so. Not only is the inside of the Bainberry set up for amazing entertaining, but so is the outdoor space. Check out this built-in kitchen with outdoor grill, refrigerator, you've got your eating area. Absolutely incredible. And then of course, don't forget your infinity edge pool. 360-degree hot tub. And can we just keep talking about this view? It is absolutely what makes this home so special. One of the things that's really unique about WildBlue is that this is actually a boatable lake. So with permission, you can add a dock, you can have your own boat right there in the backyard, your own personal watercraft, kayaks, whatever you may like. And I don't want to forget, there is also a boat ramp up at the marina with all the other amenities. Second sitting area over here. I mean, how many people do you think you could fit out here? This place is prime for entertaining and having a nice party and enjoying everything that WildBlue has to offer, including, yes, I'm saying it again, that incredible view. This home is spectacular. The only thing that might be better is how you enjoy it while living the WildBlue lifestyle. The amenities here are unparalleled. There's very active tennis and pickleball. There's so much that you can do, something for everyone. Restaurant, bar, lap pool, resort style pool, full service spa, just incredible. And here, just an entertainer's delight. So can you envision yourself here entertaining people, making cookies for your friends and family or your grandkids? If you have any more questions or are interested in seeing this home, any other home in WildBlue, please give us a call at 239-776-6872.